said he. I heard you upon me. That's good. Say, be careful of the trucks. He's so chosen. And what is a rubber in strap? I heard a return. Oh, that is a lesson. Alright, man, I heard a plan on the top of the hill. Alright, man, three. Pull. 1, 2, 3. Pull! Faster, me. He heard a lesson. Wolverine. Said he, you're right. Oh, what trucks they have been a lesson. Why you truck not behave? Trucks. I'll teach you a lesson. I don't really have a Thomas, you have a breakdown train. Pullman said back of the wheels. Oh, there you are, said he had back of the wheels. I had taken the trucks and the ducks, alright.